everyone, this is Leanne and welcome back sa akong channel. We have another video again and tada! And if you're new here, welcome sa akong channel. Please subscribe and click that notification bell para ma-notify mo if I will have a new video. Guys, and also share your comments, your thoughts here in this comment section below. And please guys, subscribe now! Alright, so natong bagong video today is all about our shoes that we got from the secondhand store. Store ba to? Actually, this one, I didn't find this one, but I found this. Alright, and so you're gonna see the shoes. When we bought the shoes for 600 baht, and 600 baht is about 1,000 pesos. About 1,000 pesos. I think 900 pesos. So it's not bad because no, we got this for 400. Right, kuya? 400. For 400, it's not 600, it's 400. And 400 baht is, I think, around 600 pesos. Oday to, 600 pesos. And this one, when we went to the outlet, the shoes outlet, there in Bangkok, and Kuya has a really big eyes. He found it. Oh, there's Yeezys. And he checked it and he said, it's legit. It's original. Charmos! Ginamos! Okay, so, what to? Na. And then, this one is not supposedly mine. I just grabbed it from him. So, this is the shoes that I got. It is a Supply 350. It was the version 2 zebra. Is that the? Is this the version 2 zebra Supply 350, and we got this for 400 baht or around 600 pesos. And here is the shoes. Check. Yes, this is the shoes. Yes, guys, this is not fake. It looks so nice pa. It's naalang siya gagmay ng mga depekto. There's some small defect, but it's alright because this one is only 600 pesos. Alright, and originally the price of the shoes is around maybe 25,000. It ranges from 25,000 pesos and up. I don't know which shop you can buy that, but I checked online. The price of this is 25 up. Alright, so now let's check and see these shoes. At saka pala, guys, these shoes, atong i-check ha. So this is the shoes. So it has like this, the cloth. Di ba ang Yeezys, ano siya, parang ano siya pang sports, pang exercise talaga. Pero bulky kay siya tanawon. And so this is the shoes. So right here, you can see the cloth here is still in good condition, but maybe the color is now different. It's kind of old because this is from the second hand. This is not brand new, so that's why it looks old. And also here at the back, you can see this, and right here the stitching over here, and the Supply 350. It's right here. So this one is version 2 of the zebra color. Alright, so now, and also they have this these shoelaces, and you can see also here at the back, you can see the stripes. That means this one was produced by Adidas. And so inside, and so here you can see also Adidas, and it's kind of fading na kasi it's old. And so also here you can see, because this is a second-hand shoes, you can see na the discoloration of the, how do you call this one? How do you call this one? Yeah, this one, the platform, basta iyahang ano, platform siguro. And so here there are some brownish, this one, oh, and also here I tried to remove that, but I cannot remove, and that's why maybe they baligya this in the Ukay-Ukay. They throw this away already. Maybe the owner of this throw this one already because of this problem over here. And so also it is still in good condition. It's very soft. I mean, it's not very soft, but it is very comfortable when you wear this. And also the tumbanan has a problem over here, and here. It's kind of old na. It's kind of old over here and over here too. But when you walk with this, it's alright. It's not, it doesn't bother at all because you cannot see that one. But if you want this one here, it says Boost. Murag kanina siya, murag old na siya dito sa iyang tumbanan na siya. So that's the shoes. And the other one as well. And this one is kind of okay. But the other partner is this, murag mas worse siya. I think it's worse, a bit worse of the color here, stain. I don't know what stain is this, but we cannot remove that one anymore. I tried, but I cannot. I don't know how to remove that. But all in all, still alright. When you wear this, still okay. And also at the back over here, you can see that it kind of looks old and dirty. That's because it is, as I've said, from the second-hand store, but that doesn't bother me. It's okay. And also inside you can see Yeezys, and this one is, let's see inside. Yes, I have. Okay na siya. It's okay. It's alright for me, and I have already worn this a couple of times, but I washed this already also. I washed this back, and then, but still the color is just the same, doesn't change because it's old na nga. It's just only 600 pesos. And so, but this is my first time wearing shoes like this one because I cannot afford. Okay, I'm only a teacher here in Thailand, and I cannot afford to buy 25,000 worth of shoes. That's my entire salary, right? So that's why, guys, I'm showing this now. You can find good shoes second-hand. So we found the second-hand shoes at the outlet, in front of the outlet store. In front of the outlet store, there are some people selling also second-hand shoes in front. I don't know why they allow that, but they allow that here in Thailand. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and see you in my next one. Bye.